Hey guys, I'm going to do an unboxing video with the Speedy 30 Bandoulière and the Speedy 25 today, and I will do a comparison between the two of them, including how much stuff I can fit in there and mod shots in the end. And at the end of the video, I have to make a choice. I have to return one of these bags, so stay tuned to find out which one I'm going to end up keeping. I'm going to start with the Speedy 25. So as you can see here, it's in the original box. I'm going to open this up. Here is the receipts, I believe. There you go. And let me take the box out first. It's easier for you guys to see. So this is the box. Open it up. Here's the bag with the dust bag. Then that's it. That's all they have in the box. Here, it's actually smaller than I expected. Let's see. So I hope you guys can see how it's folded. This is the way it's folded. I chose the checker pattern for the Speedy 25. For the Speedy 30, I have the monogram, so you guys will see that later in the video. So you can see this hardware is not as shiny as I expected, and this is the zipper. Let me try to open this. I have to unzip it. The zipper works really well. It's pretty smooth. Inside there's a bag which is actually empty. I think the lock fell off. So this is the lock. It's really shiny actually, and the key here, as you can see. In the inside there is a small bag, small little like pouch in here. There's a zipper. Doesn't really have a big opening, so it's kind of hard for you to see the inside, but it's just like the barcode. And the inside, you can see there's a ring here. See here. And it's red fabric. So it's actually really cute. It has a little bit of a leather smell, but it's nothing big. I think it's gonna disappear in like a day or two. There's like some lines here because the fact that it's folded for a while. And here is the tag. So I think this is a pretty cute bag. Remember, I do have to make a decision between this one and the Speedy 30 Bandoulière, so I'm gonna have to unbox the other one and compare with this one. Okay, so now we are going to unbox the Speedy 30 Bandoulière. So the box is actually significantly larger than the Speedy 25, so I expect the bag to be much larger as well. Here's the envelope with the receipt that is included. Let me remove this from the packaging. It's pretty heavy actually. Okay, so here's the box. It's larger, much larger than the Speedy 25. And here's the bag. There you go, with the dust bag. And the box is empty, so I'm gonna leave it here. Again, here. Here's the bag. And it's folded the same way as the Speedy 25. I actually like the monogram. It looks really nice here. The hardware is the same as Speedy 25. Let me just open this. I can already tell that the Speedy 25 is cuter. I do have to make a decision between this one and the Speedy 25. I do like the handle though. It's really cute. I like the color. So the zipper is different because there's two zippers actually. I mean two zipper, what do you call it, handle. It's actually, I think it's smooth. It's fine. Here I see the strap and the lock here. The lock should be the same as Speedy 25. Go, and there's keys inside. Where the keys are. And here is the here's the handle. I mean, not the handle. The belt. So actually, the hardware here is a lot more shinier than like the zipper handle. So I really like this. I like the shininess, and it's really nice. It feels nice and soft here. So that's that here. Okay, so the inside is actually brown. I like the red a lot more. And obviously this pouch inside is also bigger. There's also a zipper. And yeah, so this is definitely, you know, much more spacious than Speedy 25. The zipper works really well. I like how it feels. And here is, again, the D-ring that is included in every Speedy bag, I believe. So as you can see, inside is just brown. Let me straighten up a little bit. I would say that this is actually a good size. I believe this is probably more practical than Speedy 25. I am going to show you know, how much stuff I can fit into both of the bags. I got a bag organizer from Amazon that I'm going to use for both bags and just see how it works. And I will have mod shots at the end of the video so you guys can see how it looks on my body, and I'll let you know which one I decide to keep. Okay, so I'm going to show you how much stuff I can fit into my Speedy 30 bandoulière. And note here, I have a bag organizer that I bought from Amazon for like $10. This is actually a size that fits into Speedy 25. I just thought that I would get one to see if I can, you know, try to fit as much stuff as I can. And I might return this and get a Speedy 30 size if I decide to keep the Speedy 30 here. And the good thing about this one is that you can actually detach one of the inner inserts. For me, I like to keep, like, you know, I like to carry a lot of big things, so this is actually better for me. And as you can see, I have a bunch of stuff here, so I'm going to go through them as I put them inside the bag. So I'm going to try to fold this in a little bit before I put it in. So it should fit pretty comfortably because this is a bag organizer for Speedy 25. So as you can see, it fits in there really nicely. Okay, so first I'm going to put in my two phones. I have two phones. So I'm going to put it in one of the inserts. I will show you guys after I fit everything in to see how it fits inside the bag. I have a big wallet, my case bay wallet. Okay. And I also have a fan. You have to bring a fan around in the summer. It's very important. Fold this here. Okay. Not sure where I should put it. It doesn't really fit into one of the pouches. Or maybe it can. I'm just not doing it right. Okay. So, like medicine, whatever you guys carry with you. Here, cookies. I like to bring snacks with me. It's important. Water bottle. So it's like 40–50% full right now. So as you can see inside. Okay, so now I still have a makeup bag, which is actually pretty large, and I think this is like 9-inch iPad that I have. See if I can just fit it inside. Maybe I should do I think I need to put in the iPad first on the side. See if I can put it in. It's getting a little bit crowded. It's mainly because the bag organizer is sort of in the way. So I managed putting the iPad in there. I don't know if I can fit this in like the way I wanted to. It's a little bit crowded. So I managed to stuff everything inside, but I'm not really sure if I can like zip it up. And I will try now. I don't want to break the bag in case I want to return it, but I think it's actually okay. It's not too bad. So as you can see, I can fit all these things. Huge makeup bag, iPad, bottled water, a fan, 2 phones, big wallet, medicine, and a pack of cookies in my Speedy 30 bandolier. Okay, so you can see here, it's a little heavy, but honestly, this is probably the kind of stuff that I might carry on a daily basis. So as you can see, it holds the shape if you have a bag organizer like me, like here. You can see, and the shape holds pretty well right here. And it's still cute. I think it's still kind of cute. I'll show you the mod shots later, but I think so far it's pretty good. I can put everything in, so I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so now we are going to see how much I can fit into my Speedy 25. This is the same bag organizer that I was using. It should fit the Speedy 25. So let me just fold this up, see if I can put it inside. So this should fit perfectly. It was a little small for the Speedy 30, but actually it was good enough. I'm considering to just keep this bag organizer even if I decide to keep the Speedy 30 bandolier. So, I mean, it's kind of hard to see, but this is how it looks inside. Okay. So I'm going to start putting things in. I'm going to start with my phones, which is the most important. I have 2 phones. Again, I'm going to fit them inside the inserts in the bag organizer. My wallet, very important, long wallet. It's in no problem. Cookies, it's right here, it's fine. Medicine, add in here. And the fan for the summer. I still have some room. There's still like a lot of spaces, like inserts from bag organizer. Like you can put in multiple lipsticks or like powder, compacts there. But I don't have these with me now. But you could if you want to. So there's also water bottle, which I'm putting in here. As you can see, it's a little bit too tall for the Speedy 25. Let me see if I can put it horizontal. I think that kind of works. Okay, so I just checked before the video. My 9-inch or 9.5-inch iPad is a little too big for the Speedy 25, so I don't think I can put it in. But I do have an iPad mini, and this way I can show you, if you can fit in an iPad mini, because a lot of people have iPad minis, right? So let me try to see where's the best place to put in. I'm gonna just put it like right outside of the bag organizer, so I can slip it right in. I don't want to use brute force, but I think I can fit it in. Maybe because the bag organizer fits this too snugly, I actually can't really push this one in like I hope. Actually, it's fine. So I just press this thing right outside of the bag organizer, so it's like right here right now. So it's still not a problem. Like I'm still okay right now. But sorry, there's no way I can put this makeup bag into my Speedy 25. So I have my water bottle and everything else right here. I'm going to try to zip it up. That's the ultimate test. And it was actually pretty smooth. As you can see, it's fine. I think basically this is treat this as your work bag or going out bag, but don't expect to put in your makeup, your clothes or anything. But it looks cute, and with everything in there and the bag organizer, it kept its shape. The bottom is fine, and on the side it looks really nice. I have to say I actually like the texture of the handle of the monogram bag more. This one feels soft, but the other one feels more smooth. So I like that handle more, but this is a really cute bag, and it can fit quite a lot for its size. So I still would recommend this one. I'm gonna start showing you some mod shots, and then I will let you know my decision on which bag I'm choosing to keep. So this is the Speedy 30 Bandoulière. I have the bag organizer in there so you can see the shape a little bit. It's really comfortable on my arms, so you can see it like this on the side. Forgot to mention I'm 5'1", so I'm on the petite side, and that's how it looks on me. I will use the strap on the side. It's a little long, but I think I can adjust this to be a little shorter because there's like 2 more holes. So it can go a little bit higher like that. Crossbody, I will keep the same length if I use it as crossbody. So this is how it looks. It's a decent size for a crossbody bag. It doesn't look too big on me, I think. So I think it's a pretty practical bag. So this is the Speedy 25. So you would hold it with your arm like this. This is how it looks on the side. I still have the bag organizer in there, so the shape is pretty sturdy. Like this. Like this. So I consider this a casual bag. I'm going to be wearing athleisure as I usually do. And this is how it's going to look. So here's the Speedy 25. This is Speedy 30 Bandoulière. So this one is definitely very cute and smaller. This one is a little bit bigger, but it's a lot more practical because you can fit a lot more stuff in it. And there's the strap where you can use it when it gets heavy. So this is a side-by-side comparison. I'm going to show you like this, and this is going to look like this. Okay, so after careful inspection and investigation, I decided that I will keep the Speedy 30 Bandoulière. The Speedy 25 is super cute, but I think as a day bag for me, I tend to carry a lot of stuff. The Speedy 30 is a better choice and a more practical choice for me. And with the straps, it's going to become really handy because when the bag gets heavy, I can put it on my shoulder instead of carrying with my arm. I was also considering Speedy 35 Bandoulière, but I think since I'm 5'1", I have a petite frame, Speedy 35 is going to look a little bit too big on me. So Speedy 30 I think is a good choice for a day bag, a work bag, a little bit of a travel bag. Don't expect it to be your weekend bag because I don't think you can fit in too much in there. So my final choice is the Speedy 30 Bandoulière. Thanks for watching.